Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover adverbs of reason. There is a separate playlist on adverbs in English language on my channel and the link of the same will be available right in the description box below. Now what are we waiting for? Without any further ado or delay, let's get started. Adverbs of reason. An adverb of reason provides an explanation for the cause or motivation behind an action. So basically, in simple words, we can say that an adverb of reason provides us the reason behind the action being done or the motivation, and it provides the explanation behind that particular action being performed in a particular sentence whatsoever. And they answered the question why. Okay, so if you'll put why, you will get the answer of an adverb of reason. Have a look at these set of examples here. The first one says that she left early because she wanted to avoid traffic. And how would I question why did she leave early? And the answer is because she wanted to avoid traffic. So it tells us the reason or the motivation behind leaving, which is an action, right? So it tells us the reason or the motivation behind the action being performed. Have a look at another sentence. Accidentally, he wrote his father's name instead of his. What did he do? Accidentally, he wrote his father's name. So, accidentally is an adverb of reason here. Let us have a look into the list of common adverbs of reason that you may use to jewel your sentence or define a reason to your statements, right? And these are the common adverbs of reason like hence, thus, therefore, I was late, therefore I couldn't attend the party. Because, so, so that, since, accidentally, purposely, consequently, in order to, less. So these are the common adverbs of reason. Let us have a look at some examples. The first one says that it was raining heavily, therefore we stayed at home. Why did you stay at home? Because it was raining heavily, therefore it was raining heavily, right? So therefore it tells us the motivation behind the action performed. It tells us why did you perform that action, the motivation or the purpose behind an action. Next example is take an umbrella lest it starts raining. Why do you have to take an umbrella? Lest it starts raining. So here also it explains the reason, the purpose, or it gives an explanation to the action performed, right, or the motivation behind the action. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of my videos.